Hey guys, so I'm back with another video. So today we're going to be unboxing a box. Duh, just kidding. Anyway, so today I'm going to be unboxing the Fabfitfun box. Anyway, so if you want to see this, you can just continue watching. So I discovered this box, Fabfitfun box, from a coworker of mine, and her name is Brianna. She actually got this delivered to her, and I saw what was inside of it, and it was like a beauty blender that was full size and all these other things that were like really cool. So with Fabfitfun, how it works is you want to become a member and for just $49.99 each season, or you'll get the full box with 8 to 10 full-size premium products valued at over $200. You can also customize each season, choose products and add-ons you want in your box. I forgot to edit mine, but I don't know. I don't know what's actually in there. And then what's in the box is practically beauty, fitness, wellness, and home, and everything in between. Don't forget that Fabfitfun. Oh, hashtag Fabfitfun. So yeah, that's practically it. There's other things that you can get in here, but yeah, so I got the seasonal one. For my fall one, it didn't actually come in. I don't know what happened to that package. Apparently it was delivered to me, but I never actually got it, so I was a little upset. I already emailed them asking for like a refund or a credit to my account, but finally I got this. This is the winter one, and I'm actually really excited to be opening it. So yeah, so if you want to see me open this box, just continue watching. Okay, so I actually don't have, oh, I actually do have a box cutter. That's hilarious. Okay, so box cutter. It has like this huge little thing in there. Okay, unboxing this. Ooh. Oh, sorry, my lighting, blocking my lighting. So it actually has these cute little snowflakes, and this says Fabfitfun. Cool. So what it comes with a magazine. Everyone talking about it. It's exclusive. Brooke. I don't know who this is. Anyways, I don't know if I'll read this. There's all these other intakes and small facts, and just a thank you for buying this. And there's actually, oh, I guess they have a Fabfitfun app where you can do videos, fitness videos and workouts, and they'll show you winter box videos, how to use your winter, it actually shows you how to use your winter box products. Oh my god, did it actually come with what I wanted in here? Oh my god. Oh, anyways, I'm going to be showing you this while I'm unboxing. So in this, I actually have the Share the Love. Redeem this gift card for $10 off for your first Fabfitfun. So if you guys want to go and get this box, you can redeem this if you want. Look, it's $10 off for your first Fabfitfun box. It's valued for only $39, and that's like $100 in here. So if you want to use this code, I'll put it in my description if you want to use that as well. Hello Fresh, turn dinner stress into dinner time. So I also have a $60 gift card, $20 off your first 3 deliveries plus free shipping. Ooh, what is Hello Fresh? It says claim within 30 days. Ooh, delicious, simple, and fun in 3 simple steps. So you get to choose your recipes and make homemade meals. Enjoy cooking without the fuss. Oh, dinner to lunch premium. That's pretty cool. I'll look into that maybe. So let's get into it. Okay, well, I'm unboxing with one hand. That's pretty fun. Ooh. So what we got here, anyways, we'll go on to this first. So this is the Brilliant Eye Brightener, and this is the highlighting stick, ring light technology. It's a Thrive cosmetic. So beauty with a purpose for any. Oh yeah, so shine bright with long-lasting champagne shimmer powder by ring light technology. Cool. Alright, so comes in this cute little thing here. Thrive Cosmetics. Oh, so it's just a highlighter. So it's just a cute little highlighter. See, it's pretty cute. I'm gonna highlight right now while I'm at it. Oh. It's a pretty smooth little crayon, you know. I don't know how you're supposed to like, if you're supposed to like go like that, but it's pretty cute, not bad. I would use this. Yeah, why not? Alright, and it also comes with a coconut sugar whipped body cream. So yeah, this is a body cream it comes with. Oh, there's a, it's trying to use it there. Actually smells like coconut. Okay, it's cold from outside. Oh, it smells good. Anyways, so it also comes with a hydrating Havana. So this is supposed to nourish thirsty skin with this active hydrating mask. Rich creamy texture, softens. So you just apply this for 3 to 5 minutes or leave it on all night. So it's just a hydrating mask. That's okay. And then we also have an eye mask in here for late night or too many cheeky wines. Let's not forget those carb on carb delight can have. So this is to cleanse your skin and eye area. Ooh, so yeah, so in this box it actually comes with a few of them actually. They're look at this. Oh, they're eye mask. I'm actually really excited to be using these. Woo! So cool. That's pretty cool. Oh, and it also comes with a bear paw. I'm not sure what this is, but you put this on. You know, I actually asked for mitts for winter too. Oh, this is such a cute oh, this is so cute. Aww. I'm actually really happy with this. Cute. Oh, and it comes with, oh, there's a button here and you can cover your fingers with it. That's actually so cute. Ooh. Aww. I love it. It's so cute. Anyways. Alright. So, enough of that. So I also got some over the knee socks. They're gray color. These I will actually wear because look how long they are. They're so cute. And they seem a little bit thicker, so that's good. And then we also got the circle necklace. Is the perfect introduction piece for every woman explorer. So this is the Lily Sandoe. Not sure what that is, but cute. Oh, but okay, so it's just a necklace. Ah. Okay. Well, I don't know. I don't think I'll wear it, but it's cute. It's cute. And then we also got this, what is this? I don't know what this is, but I think they're for your boobs or for your head or plates. Okay, and then we also got this blanket, personalized gifts, keeps in touch. So this is, I don't know what this is. I guess it's a blanket or a scarf. Oh, it's a scarf and it's cute. Oh, it looks like a blanket though. Oh, look how big this blanket is. The scarf is. Oh, it's nice and warm. It's nice and warm. So yeah, that's pretty much that's all in the box. Wow. Actually, I thought there would have been a lot more stuff in here, but pretty cute. You know, this is what I needed anyways. But the only thing that I really wish I got was I don't know. I kind of don't know what to do with all these things, except I'm going to be wearing these in my Fabfitfun box. Alright guys, so this is the completed stuff that I got in that box. I actually will be using these stuff for sure. Not sure if I'm going to be using anything else in that box, but the necklace for sure, probably once in a blue moon. Not sure what this still is, or this is still, but so that's pretty much it. If you want to see more of these unboxes, me unboxing more boxes, leave a comment down below. Or if you like this video, go ahead and like that like button. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, Bonnsbeauty or Bonnsbeauty, go ahead and subscribe to those as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So we will see you next time. Bye!